What is up, Wanderers? We are back, and we are a really special review for you today because we are reviewing one of the coolest bags from a fantastic maker. We're talking Mission Workshop, the Drift Tote. So let's get started right after this. All right, everybody, you ready? I hope you are, because we are reviewing, boom, the Drift Tote from Mission Workshop. This is a beautiful bag, like legit beautiful. You may have seen this on Huckberry. They were pushing it really big for a while. Or if you follow Mission Workshop, you've definitely seen their ads for this bag. It is a really big 28-liter tote. I got the multicam black version, of course, because that's the best colorway. I wanted to walk through with you today. You know what we do? We do one-take bag reviews. We're going to do the overall walkthrough of the bag, show you all the nooks and crannies and pockets. Then I'm going to talk about two things that I love about this bag, two things that I don't love so much, and also wanted to let you know, should you buy this thing? All right, so let's dive in. There's a lot to go over on this bag. It is more than your normal tote bag. So you've got the beautiful Cordura exterior. It's really durable. The stitching is, as you would expect, absolutely perfect. Down on the bottom, you have a abrasion-resistant solid base. On the front panel, you have this magnet flap, which keeps all kind of sand and dust and stuff out of your two pockets up front. And those two pockets up front, you have, first, this admin pocket. I don't have a lot loaded in here right now, but you've got a really nice nylon interior. It's gray in slight contrast to the bag. You have two big pockets, two pin holsters, and then up front, you can see you have a kind of stretchy admin pocket that you can just stow some gear in. You also have a little key fob, not stretchy, whatever. Okay, so let's close up this pocket because we've got another kind of hidden pocket right around here on the side. And this pocket, see how far my hand goes in, stretches all the way across the whole bag. I've got a Kindle in there right now. Thing is really roomy. It is not three-dimensional though, so if you load this thing up a ton, you're going to rob a little bit of space from the inside of the bag itself. Keep that in mind. But it's also this really nice, it's going to be tough to see, gray material, just like the inside of the admin panel. So you could theoretically put a wet umbrella in there, put almost anything you wanted to in there. On the sides of the bag, you have two drop pockets. You could very easily put a water bottle in here, no problem, right? Around on this side, you've got the same thing, although this one has a zipper and it's felt lined. So you could drop some electronics down in here. You could drop your AirPods down in there, a phone, etc. It's felt lined. It's not incredibly protected, and let's be real, you're swinging this bag around on your shoulder. It's a tote bag. Not sure if that's where I would have gone with the kind of felt lined drop pocket on this bag. On the back, you have no pockets. Looks like a pocket. Annoyingly, could have been a pocket. Instead, it's a luggage pass-through. Forgettable. And then up top, you have the main compartment. All these zippers are waterproof, YKK, really well done. You have actually two zippers up here. And at first, it kind of looks like this is one of those two zipper kind of ripped down tote entrances, but it's not. On this side, you have a really massive tech sleeve. And it is cushioned, and I have in here right now a 13-inch laptop and an iPad Pro, and some face mask junk. So really, really huge. It kind of sits along the side of the main tote compartment, and it is cushioned. And it is, it's kind of gray, low contrast material, but still a contrast. And then you have the actual inside of the tote itself. Inside the tote, you have a massive compartment, and we're talking massive. Like, you could put, you could put a beach towel, 2 changes of clothes. Yeah, we'll talk in a second here about all that I've put in this bag. And then you have a panel on the side here that is closed. It's kind of a big drop pocket, and it is just fastened with one Velcro strap. Hats, got power cords, camera gear. So you can see, you got that drop pocket, and then you can seal that. It's got the Mission Workshop logo on the inside. And you can see, this is just, I mean, it's massive. All right, that, ladies and gentlemen, is the walkthrough on this tote bag. So, what do you need to know? 2 things that I love about this bag. Number 1, I mean, just the utility. It is insanely, insanely useful for what it is. And what it is a big old tote bag that is mostly weatherproof and looks crisp. And if you've got a lot of multicam black, matches the heck out of everything else you're carrying. So the utility of this bag, the waterproof zippers, the separate laptop compartment or tech compartment, and it's just wonderful. 2 water bottles. Yeah, so the utility, that's one thing I love. The second thing I love is just this main massive interior component, and it's all done in this kind of waterproof-ish, we'll call it. I don't think I could say waterproof. It's not waterproof, it's water resistant. And I've had lots of wet stuff in this bag, and it still looks like and feels like it's a brand new bag. So the materials in the main compartment and in all these pockets, especially the water resistant kind of ripstop checkmarked material, it's really, really nice. So high quality materials throughout in the bag, and the size and utility of the bag are wonderful. It's comfortable to carry even when it's a little overloaded, because you're probably going to overload this bag. I use this bag as a 2 or 3 day overnight travel bag. So you can get a lot of stuff into this. I will use this instead of using a little rolling carry-on suitcase. I can toss this in the back of the truck and just go. So what do I not like about this bag? Well, just a couple of things. So first off, this whole entire admin pocket is completely useless. So, I mean, you're not carrying this bag as your primary carry, no matter what the ads want you to think. It's just too large to be your everyday carry laptop bag. It's not a briefcase replacement. You're using this bag to go to the beach, to go camping, to go on an overnight trip. You don't need a ridiculous admin panel. This bag doesn't need to be everything to everybody. You don't need this junk. It would have been nice to have like 3 drop pockets along the front to, toss your sunscreen in, toss bug spray in, toss an umbrella in. That would have been nice instead of this useless flap and this useless admin panel. So, I'm sure there's somebody out there who's going to write in the comments that they do use this as a tech bag and it's incredible, and I'm mistaken, but I've never found myself carrying this and transferring all my gear over from another bag just so I can carry this, and it's just not the way it works for me. So that's the first thing I don't like. The second thing I don't like is this felt-lined pocket on the side. I've been using this bag a lot, and I'm yet to need a felt-lined pocket on the outside of the bag with zero protection. Like, just give me another water bottle pocket and put a grommet in the bottom for it to drain a little bit better. That would be actually useful. And give me one more drop pocket on the inside of the bag that would be easy to get to. Or this insanely ridiculous oversized laptop compartment, split it into two, and give me one extra pocket on the side that's half as deep that I can use as a drop pocket for sunglasses and that kind of crap. I should also say that price is a factor on this bag. You can get a tote bag for like 25 bucks. You can get this tote bag for like 250 bucks. So should you buy it? I love having it, but honestly, should I have bought it? No, I don't think so. I've got travel backpacks that do what this does better, and this is just unnecessarily expensive. So if you're a collector, you might want to have it. You'll love using it. Other gear collectors will spot it in the wild and notice. It's insanely overbuilt. It's great quality. It's fun to have. It's unnecessary. So that's the final verdict from me. I bought it. You may not have to. You might just want a tote bag or a duffel bag. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the review. And if you did, please leave a like. And definitely subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you next time for another review. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.